Hello, my name is Patrick McCrory, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to install and use OBS Studios. The OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software, and it is an open source and very lightweight and robust way to record or capture a display or output from your computer. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in OBS Studios into Google. That'll lead us to the obsproject.com. Next, you're going to select Download. Select your correct operating system. I'm currently using Windows, and download the installer. It'll come up with an exe file. Click Save. The next thing you want to do is click up here with the download button. Control J will also open it up. It'll pull up to ask you if it can make changes on your computer. Select Yes. Next. Read the user license and click Next. This can ideally be installed anywhere, but the C program folders file is a pretty good place if any is. Extracting. All right, now that we're done, we're going to go launch. So it's going to ask you if you'd like to run Auto Configuration Wizard. You can go ahead and select Yes. I'd like to optimize for just recording as I won't be streaming. I'll also go ahead and use my current resolution for my screen. All right. So currently we're not recording anything, so we're going to want to go ahead down here on the bottom left to Sources. And we're going to select Plus. This will bring up a list of different ways we can add and record a display. But the display capture here will essentially record what our screen is showing us. So I will select Display Capture, Create New. It'll pull up with the resolution, or rather a list of the displays available on your computer and whether or not you would like to capture the cursor. I'll leave that on. Click OK. Now, currently it looks very recursive. Don't be intimidated by this. It's not anything that's going to be breaking it. Now, the next thing I think is essential for recording and streaming is setting up hotkeys. You want to be able to start and stop your recording when you would like to do that. Now, you can click these two buttons down here, Start Streaming or Start Recording, but I think the hotkeys thing is important. So we're going to go down here to Hotkeys, and we're going to assign any key to start and any key to stop. It's up to you. You can use pretty much anything. This is the same location where if you wanted to stream, you would go to the Streaming tab and choose a service to stream to. Now I've selected the A and S key, so I'm going to record a quick recording here, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you where it goes. So I'll press A. It has begun recording. As you can see, my mic is picking up a certain amount of noise, although there's no noise coming out of the display. Now I'm going to use the key to stop recording. When you want to look for your files, if you go to the top left corner here in File, there's Show Recordings. Opening that up should bring up the folder where everything is stored to. That's all today, though. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.